Yeah, you're recognized, Congressman.
Tapusin mo na to.
Okay.
General Diaz is raising. Please proceed.
Karamihan po kami na-dismiss sa grave neglect of duty. Pero I just want to mention this po, yung resulta ng ginawa po namin na kampanya po, yung amin pong naging trabaho doon sa Region 6. Kami po nadirito lahat. Ako sa drug accomplishment po, nung pong our tour of duty noong 2016, meron po kami na-receive na certificate of appreciation galing po sa former Director General ng PIDEA, si Undersecretary Arturo G. Cacdac Jr. If I may read, sir, po yung laman, maiksi lang po. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Police Regional Office 6 for launching a very aggressive anti-drug campaign which resulted to a 52% increase in positive police operations conducted, a 54% increase in drug personalities arrested, a 190% increase in the volume of dangerous drugs seized, and the clearing of 181 drug-affected barangays in Western Visayas, given this 15th day of June 2016 at the Casa Real de Iloilo City, in the presence of the former governor, mayor, and us.
Thank you, General Diaz.
Sir, can I add one more po? Ito po, maiksi na lang po, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. I was relieved July 2016. On August, it is our 115 police service anniversary. It is very significant po kasi, sir, dahil dito po minimeasure yung accomplishment po ng lahat po ng 18 regions. And the accomplishments of all the regions is being validated by Kamkrami officials. During the 115 police service anniversary, it is only Police Regional 6 nakasama po kami dun, as finalist doon po sa mga 5 major awards out of the 18 regions po ito. One is the best police regional office. So out of the 18 regions, 3 po yung naging finalist, isa po kami doon. Yung isa po best police provincial office, Iloilo PPO. Best city police office, Iloilo City. Best component city police station, Pasig City, and Best Municipal Police Station, Dumangas MPS. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? Yung pong Police Regional Office 6 lang po ang may recommendation out of ito pong mga major awards po nito. Kami lang po may pinakamarami. Kami po, 5 po ang amin dito. Although hindi po kami, obviously, hindi po kami nanalo at that time. Pero out of the 18, finalist po kami. It was awarded doon po sa Kamkrami by then the former president. Yan po. Thank you po, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Thank you, General Diaz. Now, what is glaring dito? Alam mo, of course, the Vice Chair ngayon na PELCOM, bagong Alam mo what is glaring in this? Because the memorandum circular with regards to all those mentioned police officials that should be investigated during the August 7, 2016 statement with our former president was addressed to all NAPOLCOM regional office. But it's only Region 6. Alam mo ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba Region 6 lang? Tuloy-tuloy yung mga memorandums na pinalaga sa inyo to pressure you. Now, I will ask you, last time, are you pressured during the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
So pressure ka. Di ba? Kasi presidente, tama si Chairman ako. But Sabi ko nga, itong mga police officers sa Region 6, 19 of them, including General Diaz, are officers at our own assignment at the right wrong time. Naging collateral lang ito sa politika. Kahit hindi na nila aminin, yun po. Kasi mismo ang memorandum ng NAPOLCOM addressed to all regional officers ng NAPOLCOM, kayo lang po, Region 6 lang. Tuloy-tuloy po yung mga memo. To follow up. And I check from the CAC, yung mga bases for dismissal, almost the same. May incompetent lang, may grave misconduct, but the basis is all about the numbers of operations. Quota po. Di ba? Quota. Kahit, sabi ko nga kanina, kahit hindi nila aminin, ilang beses nila tinanong dito na may quota wala, now it is proven because of the cases that is filed in those police officials. Yung beses yung quota. Yun po malinaw. Balik-balikan naman, lahat ng mga itong nandito ngayon, kinek ko na yung ano nila, except for one. Almost lahat pareho. Basis for dismissal is the numbers. Quota. Comparative to the previous, sa kanila. Ay, well, in fact, Mr. Chairman, yung tatlo dito, nakaschooling for the time. Supposedly, course of jurisdictional, hindi nga para sa Region 6 yun eh. Kaya lang isama ang pangalan nyo sa Region 6. Pero nakaschooling kayo the time, di ba? Oh, ano klaseng investigasyon yun? Kahit yung jurisdiction, hindi nyo maklaro, may tatlong opisyal dito na nakaschooling, hindi natin sa Region 6. Tapos sinama sila doon sa investigation, Region 6. Minadali. Tapos pension po kayo. At yun ang may tulong mo dito sa mga opisyal na to. Na you admit that during the time, you're being pressured. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, since the Civil Service Commission is not present, may I ask the good chairman to schedule with the CAC to discuss what transpired on this hearing, Mr. Chairman, so that they can review and check and study in detail yung cases ng mga police officers na nabanggit po. And we will also ask the CAC, Mr. Chairman, to have a speedy resolution with regards to the case because they suffer for the past 8 years. 8 years, Mr. Chairman. Hanggang ngayon, no, papunta dito, lumipad, pamili-ilo. Nagtyaga. Walang sahod. Yung isa dito, nasa Mountain Province pa. Yeah, Mr. Chairman, to end my interpellation, Mr. Chairman, I respectfully move that we will schedule a hearing or a meeting with the CAC and for the CAC to have a speedy resolution in the cases of these police officers. And once again, I would just like to reiterate, NAPOLCOM and the COMSEC, please follow up the case of Superintendent Gumbok because may finality na po sa kanya favorable po sa reinstatement ni Colonel Gumbok. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano. And I think there are no other matters that we wish to discuss. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga resource persons. Pasensya na ho kayo kung medyo ginabi tayo. And as to the issue raised by Congressman Paduano sa ating pong mga members sa PNP, kami po ay we will confer with the civil service and we will ask for a resolution dun sa inyong mga appeal. Gagawin po namin lahat para makatulong sa inyo. So, again, thank you, Pidea. Thank you, General Wilkins. Thank you, DDG Gumban. Thank you, NBI, Director Levin, and Attorney Galicia. At sa lahat po, thank you very much for coming. Is there any motion?
Motion to suspend.
There is a motion to suspend, duly seconded. Hearing no objection, this committee hearing is suspended.